Iria-inĩ rĩao hĩndĩ-inĩ kuo thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩgĩaka gĩcukĩro kĩerũ kĩa meri cia maguta kĩrĩa kĩũĩkaine ta Kipevu. Icera-inĩ rĩake mwena ũyũ wa Mombasa, mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya ũgitĩri Ndagĩtarĩ Karanja Kibicho athũrimĩte tabarĩra igĩrĩ iria nĩ hamwe na gĩcukĩro gĩkĩ na kuongererwo gwa kĩrĩa kĩa mĩrigo o gũkũ Mombasa. Gĩcukĩro gĩkĩ kĩa meri cia maguta kĩrĩ na ũhoti wa kwamũkĩra meri 4 na kĩhũthĩrĩte shilingi bilioni 40 na gĩtanyĩtwo kũhingũrwo mweri wa 3 mwaka ũyũ.
Kuboresha utendakazi katika port ya Mombasa na pia itasaidia sana kupunguza ile tunaita congestion wakati saa nyingine meli zinakuwa nyingi na inakuwa sasa tukipakua inakuwa ni shida sasa kutoa mizigo nje, lakini kulingana na zile barabara ambazo pia serikali inafanya hii sasa nafikiri itasaidia pakubwa sana kuhakikisha kuwa hatuna congestion in future.
Kibicho agĩthũrima tabarĩra ici na andĩki angĩ a rũhonge-inĩ itiganĩte na maobitha anene thirikari-inĩ mararĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale magĩthũrima tabarĩra cia maĩ na waki wa barabara ya Kinango na Dongo Kudu. Hĩndĩ ĩno nĩrĩo kuonekete atĩ waki wa barabara ya Kinango ya kilomita 29 ĩgĩtuĩkania gũkũ Kwale ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgucia ona thengia wa thirikari kũmĩheanĩra kandarathi mweri wa 3 mwaka mũthiru.
If you are going to do 29 kilometers in 3 years, what are you telling?
It means this contractor at this rate is going to do only 9 kilometers in 1 full year. That the government cannot accept. Na sisi tukiwa hapa, we want to make it very clear. Nobody should make a mistake. We will not allow that. So the contractor has to work. Wale wana supervise the technical officers, they must work. They have no choice. The choice is one, they must work. If they don't work, then definitely there are many other Kenyans who can do this job. They don't have to be here. There is no monopoly.
Mwandĩki mũkaru rũhonge-inĩ rwa maĩ Joseph Wairagũ oigĩte kũrĩ na tabarĩra ya maĩ ĩtanyĩtwo gwakwo mweri tũrorete gũkũ Kwale, no mũhĩnga ũrĩa wĩho nĩ atĩ aikari amwe matithamĩte nĩguo demu yakwo.
Kuna hiyo damu ambayo tunataka kuanzisha ifikapo mwezi wa Februari tarehe 15, na kuna changamoto hapa na pale ambazo bado tuko nazo. Kuna watu wachache hawajatoka na kuna pia makaburi machache hayajatolewa. Kuna shrines 8 ambazo hazijatoka na mipango ndio tuko nayo ya kufanya hayo. Tunaomeongea na wenzetu kutoka National Art Commission waweze kufanya haraka ndio tuweze kuanzisha huu mradi. Ni mradi mkubwa huu wa county wa Coast Region.
Hĩndĩ ĩno nĩ marugũrĩtie cukuru mwerũ wa kothi cia moko wa Mombasa ũrĩa rĩu ũrĩ na rũhonge rwa gũkũ Kwale makĩranĩra kuongererwo gwa ceceni cia maobitha a borithi.
Number of projects in Kwale, and the first project we are visiting is this one here and the Technical University campus. Tumeona ya kwamba mambo ya usalama, we need a police post here. Na tumeamua ya kwamba temporarily there is a structure that is going to be put, alafu hiyo itatengenezwa. Kuna pia ukuta ambayo inatakiwa kuweka all along this 50 acre. It's going to cost approximately 40 million and the Minister of Education is going to look because we have got the PS of University Education with us.
Tunasema yote ni ekari 3,000 na huu mradi ukikamilika kutakuwa na viwanda vingi sana hapa. Ile industrial park itakuwa hapa both ya kuweza kutengeneza bidhaa za hapa nchini na pia za kwenda ng'ambo.
Igiribotera Inooro TV, Jetagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.